I'm here at Clay Restaurant with Chef Joby, where they mix Peruvian and Japanese cuisines. Now, Chef, Japanese and Peruvian food, they seem worlds apart. How did they end up being combined?
We are using the technique, Japanese technique, with Peruvian items. This kind of cuisine we call Nikkei.
Nikkei.
Yeah. We're gonna start first with chopping onions. So we are going to cut right now two kinds of chilies. Red chili, Holland chili, and ají amarillo chili.
So this yellow chili, this is Peruvian, yes?
Yes.
So what part of Peru is that from?
From the coast.
The coast?
Yeah.
Is that spicy?
Not much, because we remove already the seeds.
And it's the seeds that pack the punch.
Yes.
How do they work together? What elements do they bring?
I want the aroma, I want the taste of all of them, you know? And then by the reduction, we are going to get the sauce yummy and tasty.
Now that these are all prepared, we're going to take them to the hot pan because I can feel a lot of heat behind us. So what are the rest of these? Are these all going into the sauce also?
Yeah, we have white onion, celery, we have chilies, red chili, we have ají amarillo. We're gonna saute all of them.
Yeah.
After that, we are going to put ají panca, mirasol chili, katsuobushi, lime, fish stock, and then we have to boil for 3-4 hours, and then we're gonna get the sauce.
Is this the final product?
Yeah, this is the final product. So you can see here the color. Even you can see that you can smell.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the aroma is there. You know. The next step, we are going to cut the avocado.
What does the avocado bring to the dish? Is it texture or
just for the
sweet
texture?
Or sour?
Yeah, yeah, for the texture, because you know the sauce is slightly spicy.
Yeah.
We want to with avocado to make balance.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what's the next step?
We are going to cut the scallop.
Would scallops be a big part of Peruvian cuisine?
Yeah. Yeah, there is we have many kind of variety of seafood there, but in this case, this is scallop coming from Japan.
Japan,
Yeah,
okay.
this is Hokkaido scallop. This is what we are using in this tiradito.
So this is where we're seeing a mix of the two cuisines.
Yeah. Yeah.
Peruvian chilies in the sauce and Japanese scallops, and the two combined together.
Yes.
At the final stage where you're dishing up, do you treat it like art?
This is what I try.
You try.
This is what we are trying to do here. Every single dish should be like art. So we're gonna start to put the sauce.
And this is the sauce we prepared earlier,
Yes. The norteña. This is furikake. This is Japanese seasoning. Chalaquita choclo. Okay. This is choclo is one kind of corn from Peru. We burn in the robata until it become black.
Okay.
And then we chop and we mix it with different kind of chilies, coriander, red onion. We are going to put the caviar.
Caviar. And I see you've opted for some chopsticks as well.
Yeah. Okay, this is the final dish. Potate tiradito, clay style.
So looking at this, they say they eat with your eyes before your mouth, and this looks like an absolute art piece. I love the texture. Like the mix of the scallops and the touch of caviar. It's lovely.
Yeah. That's we call potate tiradito.
Well, thank you very much for cooking this for me, Chef. So there you have it, Japanese scallops with chilies from Peru, a dish full of culture and taste.